So, ayan, here are the products that I need to use for my skin concerns. It's a combination of two sets. One set is for my hair, and then the other one is for the face. And very quickly, let's go ahead and unbox it. So first, let's unbox these two. So the shampoo is just a plastic seal, so we're not going to break it. But according from my dermatologist, I have to use it every other day for now. All right, so what we have inside is a bottle. All right, and there's another box of a spray pump. So, yeah, if we're going to put it, so, ano siya, yung, I need to insert here inside and then pump it. So, just like the ordinary shampoo that we have or the lotion that is being used via pump. So, yeah, meron siyang a little spray. So that's it for the hair care. And then for my face, so once again, it's a total of 4. I have the soap. So it's the glycolic soap, and let's see what's inside. Oh, it's transparent. So yeah, have to use it every day. So one in the morning and one in the evening. And then this Esquivan, which exfoliates and unclog and collagenize. This one is a tube. So it's a retinol 2%, and yeah, I'm excited to use it. So this Provamed Anti-Melasma, which is a spot corrector. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it's just a small tube. Wow. So it says here spot corrector with tranexamic acid and alpha arbutin. So I don't know what that is, but it's a derma recommended product. So definitely I'll use it because I truly believe it's also for me and I trust my derma. So the last one is Provamed Sun Face with the SPF 50. So it's also a tube style. So as I have mentioned in my previous statement, this is a tinted sunblock or sunscreen, and there is beige that's written on it. So ayan, excited ako to use it because the one that I was using was the Citroblast, and according from my derma, this one is lighter version nung previous product na ginagamit ko. So there you go. Excited ako na gamitin ito, and excited to share to you guys what happens after I use these products. So anyway, just a disclaimer, I am not promoting this or endorsing this product to you guys. What I'm trying to say is, kapag meron tayong nararamdaman sa ating katawan, please go ahead and seek your doctor's advice. And as much as possible, pupunta na talaga agad-agad sa nearest hospital to have yourself checked kasi importante ang kalusugan. Okay? So whatever it is, please go ahead and do it. Self-care is important. Self-love is also important. So totoo lang, mas importante pa daw sa jowa mo. Char! Alright, so that's for the unboxing part, and this time let's talk about some tips on how can we proactively prevent those mentioned conditions. Number 1, iwasang ma-stress. Yes, umiwas sa mga nakakapagpa-stress sa'yo. Tao ba to? Bagay ba to? Nagpinoy henyo ano. Anyway, kung ano man ito, iwasan natin ito. Alright? So, number 2, kumain ng masusustansyang pagkain. So, sabi nga sa atin, kailangan well-balanced diet ang need ng ating katawan. Sa isang meal, as much as possible, meron tayong carbs, meron tayong karne, meron tayong prutas, at meron tayong gulay. So, importante na kompleto ang mga yan. Lalo na kung afford naman, why not, di ba? Para sa atin din naman ito. Alright. So, number 3, kailangan hydrate ourselves. So, ibig sabihin, uminom tayo ng 8 glasses of water a day or more. Para naman hindi mag-dry yung ating skin. Because sometimes it's very visible on our skin, like in some certain areas, sa mga siko, sa arms natin, and sometimes sa head. sa scalp natin. So, if it's dry, so sometimes nangangati tayo and it turns into a dandruff as worst case scenario, alright? Which is not so good. Another thing would be tip number 4 is that tayong mga kababaihan, kailangan lagi maayos sa sarili. Especially sa ating mga mommies, hindi porket nanganak na tayo, hindi na tayo magiging presentable sa mata ng iba. Kailangan, even kahit nasa bahay, mag-makeup kung gusto. Wala namang pipigil sa'yo, di ba? Ang importante, naayos tayo sa ating mga sarili, masaya tayo, tapos kaya-aya tayong tingnan, 'di ba? Hindi tayo nagpapaganda para sa iba, magpapaganda tayo para sa sarili natin kasi it really boosts our self-confidence kapag presentable tayo. Alright? Kaya ayan naman, lagi namang mag-ayos kahit sa simpleng paraan lang, konting lipstick, lagyan niyang labing yan. Alright, and for tip number 5, know our skin type. So, it's very important for us to know what our skin type is. So, halimbawa, tayo ba ay merong normal skin, meron ba tayong sensitive skin, meron ba tayong dry skin, acne-prone skin, etc. Why is it important? Simply because every time we apply a product, it has a reaction sa balat natin. So, as much as possible, if you are a new product user, kung meron namang smallest package that you can buy, that's the thing that you need to buy from the store. Kasi it would save you money and just apply a small amount on this section of your skin. And if normal naman, after a few minutes, wala namang negative reaction, well, go ahead and use it. And then the next time, if talagang hiyang nyo na siya, go ahead and buy the bigger one to save money. Alright? And for our tip number 6, please take time for our personality development. Yes, very important to sa atin bilang tao because we always communicate with each other, we collaborate, we engage, right? Especially on social media right now that we are on a meta world. So, ayan, it's always best na present natin yung quote-unquote best version of ourselves, di ba? Mas masaya kapag confident tayo, maayos tayo. So, how are we going to do that? So, pag nakikita natin, as an example, our hair, which is our crowning glory, kapag medyo hindi na okay, please take your time to go to a salon, to go to your favorite barber para pagupitan na to kung ano man yung gusto ninyo para laging neat tingnan, maayos tingnan, kaya-aya, and hindi tayo nagpapaganda or nagpapagwapo para sa ibang tao. Of course, para ito sa sarili natin kasi it really boosts our confidence kapag maayos tayo sa sarili. Okidoki, sa video ito marami na akong na-share na tips and best practices and sana marami kayong natutunan. At sa mga susunod ko pang videos, please continue to support, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I am excited to share a lot of things to you guys. Kung ano man ang mga naiisip ko na makakatulong sa inyo, I'll definitely do that. Alright, hanggang sa muli ng ating chikahan at story time based sa mga naisip ko. Thank you!